Hi everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech, and in this video we'll be looking at the Cambridge ICT, Cambridge IGCSE ICT Paper 2 presentation, February-March 2020, the only variant for that month series. Also, we'll just be diving into presentation right away. Okay. So we have it here. Okay. So task 5, presentation. You're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slide must be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. Okay, so create a presentation of 5 slides using the file M2120 per. So obviously, for you to open this presentation, you have to open a blank presentation. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to move this here. Just going to copy it to save this as a presentation. Copy. So I'm going to look for it. So I'm going to click on File, click on Open. I'm going to change this to folders so that I can just look for it. Okay. Okay, I think I can. This is 2020. Okay, so it's easier to find this here. Okay, so I'm just going to look for it here. So yes, this is it right here. So I'm clicking on Open. So we have this. So let's begin. Design a master slide for the presentation with a minimum of 4 features and apply this to all slides. This may include slide numbers. Let's get right to it. So we're going to create, but before, let me save this as a presentation. So I'm clicking on Save As, and I'm pasting what I copied here. Okay, so this is done. So I'm going to View, change this to Slide Master, and obviously in the Slide Master, this is what you need to work on because all other slides are linked to it. So whatever you effect here is going to apply to the rest of the slide. So obviously when we are putting the features, you're going to see what I'm talking about. So let's start with one of the features. So click on Insert, Headers and Footers, and we have a slide number. Okay, and so I'm going to apply slide number. What else? Okay, so I'm going to add the candidate number, my details. Of course, your details are not the features, but I'm just going to add it anyway, so that I don't have to open it again. So this is my name. Center number is AN017, which is what I'm using in all my videos. My initials, A for Ajiro, and N for ND. Okay, obviously you have to be careful when typing your name. Okay, comma, my candidate number is 2023, and I'm going to apply to all. I'm going to highlight this, click on Home, and change this to change this to 20. I'm going to bold this, make it a black text. I'm going to do the same for the slide number, bold it 20, and I think that is done. Okay, yeah. All right. Colors or design themes. Okay, so we could add a line to it. So we'll add a line to it. So let's add a line to it. So we're going to add a line. We're going to add a line to it. So I'm going to click on my shape. I'm going to click on my shape here. So I'm going to get a line. Okay, so this line is fine. Obviously I'm going to do this. I'm just going to put the line here. So going to put the line here and okay, drag it through. Okay, I'm just going to change the outline to okay, so this is fine by me. I'm just going to make it a black because okay, my shape outline color is going to be a black, and of course this is going to be nope, sorry, I'm applying it to the wrong one. Click here, and I can make it a black here, so that's fine. Okay, all right, so the next one is going to be animations. So obviously if I'm going to make animations, so let's talk about it. If I'm going to add animations to my slide, I'm going to click here, and maybe I'm just going to make an appear animation. Okay, it's just going to appear to it. So obviously whatever animations I'm going to make is going to show here. Then maybe the title slide can have something like it's going to have something like maybe a swipe. Okay, fine. So obviously we have all these animations. So obviously you will need to specify what they are, and we can have them here. Okay, so we can have a preview of them. Now we can do animation panes. Okay, where we can actually take screenshot of this, and then we can see them here. So if we start on it, or we play the selected one, we should be able to see what they can do. Here you can reorder them as much as possible. Okay, so we're going to take a screenshot, and we're just going to let them. This is for appear. For one is appear, two is swipe. Okay, so I'm just going to open my evidence document right now, so I can just make those changes in evidence 11. Okay, so I'm just going to animations were added. Okay, so um, for animation 1, so we have appear. I'm just going to reorder this. I'm going to reorder this in such a way that this comes here, so that's fine. So we have this here, so it's fine. So we can do a preview to see how it looks like. Okay, so fine, it's simple. So I'm going to add this. Animation 1 will be swipe. Animation 2 will be appear. So yeah, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this. So I'm just going to click here and get my snipping tool. Okay, because obviously there is going to be a screenshot if we're going to add this. Or let me put all the features. So obviously I have slide number, lines, animations. I'm going to add a transition. Okay, I'm going to add a transition. They said we could use a theme design. Okay, I could do with a theme design. Obviously to get a theme design, I have to click on. Okay, click on that. Okay, so let me just add a transition to it. I think that saves us the stress right here in the slide master. So I'm just going to put fade. Okay, I think this fade is better. So I've added this to. Okay, I've added fade to it. So obviously right here we can actually see what was added. So I'm going to add a feature on it. So so this is part of what has been added to this slide. So, and I'm going to take a screenshot of it right here. It's been added. This is for animations, and of course transitions have also been added to it. So for animations, I'm also going to say okay, transitions were added to the slide. Transition title, so transition title could be fade. Okay, transition title could be fade. Okay, Okay, so that is done. So I'm just going to take screenshots of this right now. We have animations, we have the slide number, we have lines here. So I'm just going to take the screenshot of it, because obviously I want this to show. So I'm just going to take the screenshot of, I think I can stop here. Okay, so they can actually see that this was actually applied, and I'm going to paste it here. So obviously this is going to take a bit because I have to add this here as well. Okay, okay, for the transition I have to take another screenshot to show new, to show that this was also added to it. Okay, no, I'm just going to take another one. Yeah, I think this is better. Okay, so this is also going to be in the evidence document. So obviously I'm going to paste this at the bottom right here. Okay, so we have this here. Okay, so we have so I'm just going to reduce it so that, because okay, and hopefully add this here to be on the same line. Click here and I'm going to drag to it. Okay, going to hit enter so that my text can also come up as well. Okay, so we have this okay, so this is added both my animations and for my transitions, and I think we can go to the next question. This has been tricky, but definitely you just have to pay attention to it. Now place your evidence document to show the features you have applied to the master slide, and I've done that as well. So format the slide so that the title slide is applied with no bullets. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Views normal. Okay, I'm going to click on my title slide. Okay, so right here it has no bullet applied to it. I'm going to all right, let's go to the next question. The title and subtitle slide are centered in the master of the slide. Now obviously at default, once you put in your title slide, it becomes centralized. Okay, yeah, now enter your name after the text presented by. So I'm going to enter my name right here, a space, Ajiro ND. Okay, that's done. Okay, now move the last slide with the title safety in the home. Okay, the last slide, safety in the home, right here. Okay, to become the second slide. So we're going to move it right here to become the second slide. Add the following text. Okay, so we're going to add the following text as presenters or speaker notes for the slide with the title glass appliances. So we're going to add the presenter note. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to click on copy. Okay, so I'm going to look for it, gas appliances. Okay, so I'm going to add the speaker note or the presenter note here. So all you have to do is right here on notes, right, you can click on it and then you can add it right here. Okay, you can also go to view and then you can also see your notes to add to it. Okay, your note master, and you can add as many notes as you want to add, but obviously this is easier and safer, and class appliances, and you can just add it right there. Okay, so that is done. Print only the slide as presenter slash speaker note. So let's print only the slide. So obviously this is for slide 3, so we're going to print it for slide 3. So click on file, click on print, and this is going to be for slide 3, and we're going to change this to the note page. So we have this right here and we're going to print this. Okay, Okay, so this is for print out 6. So print the slide showing the speaker note. Make sure your name, center number, academy number appears on the slide. Okay, so I'm going to move this. This is not where I need to save it. So we have it here. Okay, so February, March, yeah. Okay, so we have it here. So print out 6. So this is completed. Okay, now print the presentation in a format showing. Now obviously in 2019, 2018, they will tell you that it's going to be in a handout, but now they want you to know if you're practicing. So they said print the presentation in a format showing 6 slides to the page. Okay, put the presentation in a format that shows 6 slides to the page. Make sure your name, center number, academy number appears on the presentation. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to click on file. Okay, I'm going to click on file, click on save, and I'm going to click on print, and I'm going to change this to the handout. Yes, no, I'm going to take it off. Now you can see that they're showing 6 on the page. Obviously they're not showing format showing 6 slides to the page. Obviously the slide that was sent here that you were meant to import is showing just 5. So obviously that's what they want to see that. So they want to actually see that. So don't just be tempted to actually go about doing that. So we have that. So this is going to be printout 7. This is going to be printout 7, and this is going to be there. So we're going to click on print, and we're going to print this. Okay, so we have this as printout 7. Now make sure your name, center number, academy number appears on that. Okay, so we have that here. So we're just going to do a preview. We're going to do a preview on that. So we just have to check. Now you can see that this is your presenter or speaker notes in the note view, and there is your name, your center number, and academy number on it. Okay, so we have that, and we have printout 7 that shows. Now this is for the handout horizontal. Vertical is 1, 2. Vertical is 1, 2, 3, and for handout we have it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you see that your name, center number, academy number is right here. Okay, so we have that right here. So I'm going to save this, and this is completed. Now this is 11 marks, so please, obviously you just have to follow suit on that instruction. And please, it's important that you practice. Yes, please practice along with it, so that you can just get more stronger. Your skills in practice is going to increase. And please do well to like this video, and not just watch it but like it as well, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more IGCSE ICT videos. Okay.